Good morning, guys. Here is a part of my living room, and I'm going to redecorate it. That's my husband. He's adding a bathroom and a laundry room in the basement. So you will hear hammering and whatever they do down there. Today I'm going to see what I can do with my mantle. I decorated it for fall. This one right here, our traveling owl. He had been with Michael before we even met when he was a little boy. And he came with us and came back from the Philippines. I think some of you followed me on my blog and we wrote a little article about him. This is our traveling owl. He's still around. This plaque here, it says, "In everything give thanks." I got that from Goodwill. This one I got it from the thrift store as well. This one's from the thrift store as well. I think I got this from TJ Maxx or maybe Hobby Lobby, and these are Hobby Lobby stuff. The lights are from Big Lots. And the wall plug up there that's up year round, well, maybe I'll take that down for Christmas and maybe find a wreath to put here in place of it. I like it so much because it complements or coordinates with the white fireplace mantle that we have. I think this is from Dylan's. It's a plastic made in China one. But yeah, I'm going to redecorate this for Christmas. And we'll see what I can find. All right. So I removed everything. The wall hanging, the Thanksgiving plaque, everything. So I'm starting with a clean slate. I already wiped this, so I think I'm going to create a snowy, wintry theme. So here is the finished Christmas mantle, and most of these are bought from thrift stores. I bought that from the thrift store. This one's from the thrift store. These red and white stuff I got from Hobby Lobby, and it was on clearance. I got this one from my best friend when I was working at Interest Bank years ago. I still have that. This one I got from the thrift store. And this one is the same. It's a this one I got on clearance since I don't have a red candle. So I went ahead and filled it. You can see inside. It's filled with all sizes of red, green, and silver ornaments. The wreath above the mantle is on clearance last year, so I got that. And then these stocking holders are from thrift stores. These are cheap Christmas stockings that were on clearance last year. This one, we had that for a long time. went with us to the Philippines and came back. And then I went to Joanne and got a ribbon that says joy. I do not have the white Christmas lights, so I had this old light. Some of the bulbs do not work anymore, but most of them still do, so I thought I'd just go ahead and use that. It would have been better if it was white, so this one won't show as much, but that's what I have, so that's what I'm going to use. So there it is. I'm going to show you my red, white, green, and silver motif. Most of the time I use and reuse what I have. And yes, I have this wall hanging that I got from a thrift store last year. It's felt and it's got beads and embroidered joy, peace, and love. I think it's a Christmas card holder, but who sends Christmas cards these days? But anyway, I thought I liked that, and so I hang it by the door. Okay, so I hope this gives you an idea. Next time you decorate your mantle, your fireplace mantle. Thank you for watching. This is Spin-Eye Flipper. Have a very Merry Christmas. Bye.